Welcome to a new parts channel video. Well, I'm going to make a short video to explain to you. There are those who say that it is better to remove the heater or the glow plug with a cold engine, and there are those who say that it is better to remove it with the engine hot. My advice: always with a hot engine, and also, to remove them, when you have to remove the glow plugs or glow plugs with a hot engine, you spray it directly. A loosener, a good one if possible, you spray it directly to the heater. What happens? That the spray will do two functions. One, being colder, the liquid will make it shrink, because otherwise when it is hot it is more dilated. That way we make it shrink, and another thing, it is going to lubricate it, and then it will be easier to remove it, and it will be, let's say, more difficult for it to stay inside or even to break the tip. Because with this you have to be careful, because if you split the tip inside the cylinder head, then there is pee at the same time. Sometimes with an extractor it can be removed by drilling and so on, and other times there is no way to remove it or it ends up inside the cylinder. So if you want to get it out, my advice, as I say, is that with the engine hot you can loosen it. It costs nothing, it is economical compared to the breakdown that can cause one of these to break inside the cylinder head. You spray it on it, you wait a bit, a couple of minutes basically it is, because it already starts to shrink with the change in temperature. It starts to shrink and lubricate, and it is easier to extract it. I tell you, because many of the cylinder heads that had to be opened or had to be lifted was because they had the tips inside, and almost always it is because the person who did it tried to extract it with a cold engine, and as the others had turned out well, he says, this one opposes a little more resistance. Let's pull, until in the end, well, he broke it. That is the advice I give you. Well, if it has served you, do not forget to subscribe, go and like the video.